Hello students, I am Aisha Munji handling Social Studies subject for 4th standard. Students, we are learning our third chapter name is India, Water and Soil. In this chapter, in our previous class, we learn what is the meaning of natural sources, types of natural sources, renewable and non-renewable natural sources. In this, water is one of the renewable natural source. So student, from how we can get waters. There is some sources of water from them whom we can get the water. Sources are well, pond, lake, dam, river, etc. And we can use water for drinking, growing crops, for washing vegetables, cooking food, washing clothes, etc. We can get the water from lakes, canals, vents and tube wells. Now today we are going to continue from there. Taking care of water source is very important. We should not waste water. We should keep water clean. The government should ensure that the dirty water from cities, towns and factories is not allowed to flow into rivers, streams or lakes. Drinking dirty water can make people as well as animals ill. So students, water is very important natural source for human being, also for plants and animals. We should take care of water. We should clean our water for rivers, lakes, etc. The government also ensure that dirty water from cities, factories and towns do not flow in the rivers, lakes and streams, because drinking dirty water can make people and animals ill, also destroy our crops. So student, this is the image of dirty water. Here is one fact is not fact, it is a real thing we should know about this. Wells with the steps leading down to the water are called step wells. Adalajni Vav is a famous step well in Gujarat. It has five floors and is more than 500 years old. This is the image of this step well in Adalajni Vav. So student, now we are going to read about one more renewable natural resource, which is soil. Soil is an important natural resource. It is formed by the breaking of rocks, sun, wind, rain, decaying plants and animals' waste contribute to the formation of soil. Different types of soil are found in India. You have already learnt about sandy, clayey and loamy soil. Let us learn about some other types of soil. So student, how can soil formed? Soil formed by breaking the rocks and sun, wind, rain and decaying plants and animals waste contribution. They all things made the soil. In India, there is found many different types of soil. They are given here pictures. Look at this. This is the sandy soil, and this one is clayey soil, and this soil is loamy soil. Here is another type of soil is laterite soil. Laterite Laterite soil is found on hill slopes. It is rusty red in color. It is good for growing tea, coffee, rubber, and fruits such as apple, plum, peach, and pear. The side of a hill is cut into tracks to cultivate crops. In a hillside, the hill is cut to cultivate the crops. So that's this time after cultivate after cutting the hills, which, which soil is they found, it is called laterite soil. This type of soil can be helpful for grow the crop of tea, coffee, rubber, and fruits like apple, coffee, plum, peach, and pear. So students, see here, this is the coffee plantation. Next type of soil is alluvial soil. This soil is very fertile. This soil is very fertile. It contains silt or alluvium deposited by rivers for centuries. The entire northern plains contain alluvial soil. The crops that grow here are wheat, sugarcane, oilseed, gram, rice, barley, and jute. The delta regions of the northern plains are called the rice bowl of India. Students, alluvial soil is the very fertile.